Me no know about league, cause we name World Cup. And none of them no like how we hotter than thermos. Me see, they don't like when get a youth shell the world up. Whoa! Where them a go do ya now? When the men pick them girl up. Where them a go do ya now? Are we still a win? Whoa! Are we still a win? We still a win. We still a win. Are we still a win?
Good morning, Divinity Nation. What's up? On my way, well, I'm on the road. I have a number of stuff to do today, so no gym. No gym. Shamina gone, well, Shamina gone to school, but it's not actually the beginning of school for her. So yeah, I'm going to meet up with her in a few. Mommy gone to school, school start back for mommy. So she have to go to school and something, so yes, that's what's up. So busy day. So that's what's up.
Fly like the plane them, pushing on me brain them. Obviously fly like every day, every day, every day, every day. I just stay fly like the bird and the bees them. Who them street and me need them. Have you ever seen them? The new Louis V them. Man, I spend them money like they growing on the trees them. Oh, money at the pre them. I just want chase the dreams and they get rich like.
I'm in the car. See what it is. There with that big old lottery bag. It's so ugly. It's ugly. One big old ribbon just swallow up your head. Okay, Shami. Alright. Shami's over there, so. Somebody say you look like you get slim. Man say, what the way them man know you not get no slim. Right. Every day I'm just stop with my drink one shake from somewhere.
New Kingston, right? Herbalife shake. Yeah.
Him claims it a work for him, so you know, that's what he says.
Yeah, no, like that, you know.
Eh?
Put out the rice.
Well, yeah, yo. I eat mostly like, you know, sweet potato and Irish and yam. I don't eat no.
and then drink a lot of water.
Yeah. Yeah, and like, you know, meat, because I need protein, a lot of meat. Stuff like that. So, downtown again. Have a couple of these business places down here to head up. Well, I just want me to come down here, so I'm not even remember where exactly, but yeah, he knows. So yeah. Travis told me about two of my divinities that I always watching, Tawana and Tori. Pick up for herself. I'm coming.
Big money popping anywhere we go. Big money popping anywhere we go. Big money popping anywhere we go. Big money popping. Ha! Fang of them there. Tag scam of them there. Me a tell you say the shell of them there. Plus couple tell a gal there. Hey. Fang of them there. Tag scam of them there. Me a tell you say the shell of them there. Plus couple tell a gal there.
So we're on our way to Portmore now. Got through downtown. Went to a couple more places. Got some stuff done. Now this is kind of like my final stop, but I think me and Chum are going to go get lunch. Not sure where yet. Still trying to think where we're going to go. But yeah. Look for the man, yeah. Jesus Christ! It's in a bad so tired things. Me can't manage him. Me can't manage the man, the madman. But yeah, they might charge something to the vendor, you know. Can't manage. Come, Travis wants to shout out two people. Go ahead. What's their name?
Nisha Kimika. Big up.
Alright. Alright. So he told me that you guys are divinities, so I know that already. I always appreciate you guys' love and support. But yeah, so now I'm done with all the business I had to do on the road for the day. I'm so happy. Shot me in the back. So right now we're heading to go and have lunch. We are dying of hunger. I think we're just going to go by Triple Century. You know, it's not necessarily my favorite place, but you know, we just gonna go there and have a quick lunch, and then that's gonna be pretty much it for the day for me. After that, I'm gonna come home and edit this vlog in New Kingston now. My gosh, Shami, seriously. Open. Oh, yeah, that's how I like it, you know. It's open. Hi. Huh? Yeah. Nice to meet you. Right in the center. Could have gone corner too. Like, yeah. This one. Yeah. I'm gonna go around. Yeah. How are you coming? Well, I guess. So she's actually a subscriber, guys. It's nice to meet you guys. You guys are like growing. It's like Limited Nation is growing. I'm meeting you guys more and more every day. You're everywhere. That's like so overwhelming. This is the menu. So we're going to look at what we want to order and get that. So guys, I got some soup. Well, me and Shami gonna share it because it's really, she need it still, but she claims that she don't want none, but me gonna make she drink some. So this is just some country chicken soup, so them call it. So I'm gonna taste this. So seriously, Shami boy, she not get ketchup, but if them want her for choke. So this is what I got. I got the Shami come out of my team marsala chicken with string beans and mashed potato. Shami got our kind of sandwich, grilled jerk chicken and fries. Cause it's always grilled, right? And she get one ginger beer, but she not bring that comment. I got a, I'm gonna guess again, Miami Vice, not Virgin, many business. So yeah, we're gonna grow up on this.
Jenna, sunshine. Yo, someone I go and forget y'all harder. Yo, they tryna them get y'all easy. Touch that quick, that are the thing. You know a rude boy thing. Bad girl telling me she love my flick. That are the thing, you know a
girl child. Yo, let's take man for food. Take man for that stop chat. Jumping on my car, make me slap that a snap back. We a do we think, cause you know say me no love chat. Them well firm, plus the ass well fat. Gosh, you're damn hot, roll like a race track. Waistline small, me I wonder where you get that. Me not have no time for your waist, girl, come over my place. Let me tell you this straight.
This is my Miami Vice. Shami got ginger beer. I got this with some rum. So yeah, the food is good so far though. It's good. I never usually have a problem with them food.
Oh yeah. Cha, hustler baby, you know that I mean. Some real star girl like Gwen Stefani. Artists across through the world prefer me. Pay for them song, them play mine, them play for free. See them a say me so flat, but I lie down.
Oh, quick break, guys. I did forget to insert them Snapchat clip here into my previous vlog, but it's just a random thing, you know, random Snapchats from shopping. See, if you don't follow her on Snapchat, or miss this, bare fresh, this should go out with over there. Take a look. Take a look.
I just got done tinting my eyebrows, and what I used is the Liner small tip black marker. Aren't these? Y'all want yours done? You can hook me up. Yes, eyebrows by Dimples. Yes, girl. They were finished. I just used a bit of concealer to fix them up a bit, but yeah, the Liner marker.
There was no point in your sandwich just now. You took out everything the people and put in there except the chicken.
Them lettuce here did that chop out, so I just did.
Right. So you not eat the fries? Oh, Tia. Seriously, Shami? You can't manage no more, your boss. Your boss. You look so tired. In here was empty, but no people coming in. I think there's some people behind me. Shami say, what kind of place this? What kind of place this? I asked them for mojito initially, and she said them have the mint. What kind of place this? Them can't find 2 pieces of mint for dashing out a mojito. Too much bush they don't have country. Shami, what do you know about mojitos? Do you know anything about that?
I know some piece of mint in here. mint must be a green yard. So guys, now we're leaving. Shabu's almost reached downstairs. Why?
Him should have there right here, so as me reach here, so you know. Oh, so we're just here on these streets. We in these streets.
We out here.
We out here. Gian right at the Triple Century door. Where is the car? Oh, see it here. Cause just did have a customer. So the road, I don't always want to see the environment. There you have it. Hello. Why not there so? I'm not to drive around. You can't just tell who welcome this is like him drive car all the way around.
You look at my shop to them, man.
Don't bother think about putting your shoulder on your hand on my shoulder.
Put my shoulder on your hand.
You move from me, son of my girl. You just sad so. Why are you so sad? You're a sad girl.
Just for today.
Half a tree, show me?
No.
The man asked if I got half a tree. Seen that over there, so.
Half a tree.
Half a tree, people. No, now I got half a tree.
No, I'm not. Let's say you said every man. Every man. Christ, don't have an half a tree. Christ.
That's how he says it?
Christ. Don't have an half a tree. Christ.
But I would have madness now. Sure.
How the party up top, money wrap round me finger like a
Sure. Oh my gosh. You're going to the man. Jesus Christ. I can't Look on some people. She knock out like her artist. It's how she wants no food and go sleep. Look on her. Spread her from it. That's all she do. When she go sleep now, she now wake up till late tonight. And and then can't go back her. Well, she'll go back her bed because she loves sleep. I'm back at home, and that's it for my day. That's it for this vlog. Yes, that's it for this vlog. One day, one vlog. Just there you go sometimes, you know. Don't know it go already. Sometimes coffee, sometimes tea. It was just like, you know, a car vibe, road run type of vlog today. You see it? Just that it a go on. So yeah, I'm pretty tired. Yo, let me tell you now, I went to my bed like 3:30 this morning, or 3. I think no, like around 3 o'clock, and I woke up 5:30. So I don't get much sleep. I don't get much sleep at all. So you can imagine how I'm tired. Like, I went to so much places today. I got a lot done. Happy, it was a good day. I mean, it's still daytime and everything. Like, it's just after 1. But yes, it you made the pan road from so early. Feels like forever. Usually I'm in the pan road so early, you know. I was up and out through the door from 8 o'clock this morning. Early movement. Tomorrow, the next early day, because I don't know, I miss gym today. I have to make up for that tomorrow. And I have to bring Shami to start out some sleep. I don't get much sleep at all. So you can imagine how I'm tired. Like, I went to so much places today. I got a lot done. Happy, it was a good day. I mean, it's still daytime and everything. Like, it's just after 1. But yes, it you made the pan road from so early. Feels like forever. Usually I'm in the pan road so early, you know. I was up and out through the door from 8 o'clock this morning. Early movement. Tomorrow, the next early day, because I don't know, I miss gym today. I have to make up for that tomorrow. And I have to bring Shami to start out some